kukora nka marketing and customer experience director ahabwa bank ya Abusa Uganda Helen Basuta Nangonzi nashobora kugira ngo ehureji egendere yo kurebeka ngo umucangeki na mnonga bayijumbira omukwinga emiti y'ekijungu.
As Abusa in January we made a commitment to plant 1 million trees over the next 3 years, and when we set that ambition we thought it was very bold at the time, but we've received a lot of requests for partnerships. We've worked with so many stakeholders and we're happy to report that by end of year we would have planted over 300,000 trees.
Arikugamba mukoro gu ormeya ahabwo rembo orwa Hoima City Brian Kaboyo na Sima Bank ya Abusa Uganda ahabwo kugira ngo eji etire tocho mu nshonga y'ebyo buhangwa hamwe n'empinda hinduka y'ubwire kandi yabasa kubanerukayo okutandika ehurru eyo kubyara emiti y'ekijungu omucangeki kandi ogunashobora kugira ngo empinda hinduka y'ubwire ebyo buhangwa kusisikara hamwe n'ebindi byona biresurweho okushanga ngo okutimba amashita hamwe n'amakorero g'amashita omucangeki ngagumire negeyongera otiyeho nangu n'amakorera gandi omucanga echa Albertine region.
So you realize people are going to be constructing, but we must make sure that the construction doesn't also phase out the trees we have in the city.
Okurjira harkaboyo hamwe na Basuta abantu bashobora bari kugira ngo ehureji ya Green Hoima egenderire okurebeka ngo omurembo rwa Hoima habyarwa mu emiti erukwingana kakikuru kamwe.
Our target was to see whether we can plant about 1 million trees, and we have started now, and for the next 3 years, and we believe that this is going to help our city. First of all, we need where people can relax from.
Isaka twesige kandi ry'umujwekerwa wakamishana ahabwe kitongore cy'ebiro mwihanga kandi orya hakaciko akebyentebekanisa hamwe n'entunguka o ministry y'amizi hamwe n'ebyo buhangwa nashaba buri muntu wena okurebeka ngo yayijumbira muhureji babasa kubyara emiti okurinda ebyo buhangwa.
We have a target to plant 40 million trees, and the idea behind the 40 million trees is at least 1 tree for every Ugandan every year. So if everyone can do that, of course 1 tree is not a tree that you would look at through a commercial lens. You'd look at it as more of a tree to adopt, to keep as an extra member of the household. So if you keep adding 1 every year, then ideally before we know it, will have integrated the forest into the settlements.
Katwesige nashobora kugira ngo okubyara emiteji tushobora kumanyisa ngo eje twiriho mbebera hamwe n'emyanya ndijo bagira byamwamisho koreka nubongera koreka abantu ko kubyara emiti hamwe n'ebindi bihingwa cyakubasa kuretaho okurinda ebyo buhangwa omucangeki.
Doesn't mean that we are neglecting what is existing. We want to make sure that yes, through the awareness, through the campaigns that we are having, and why we are bringing on board the private sector is to widen, make the voice louder, so that everyone does whatever is possible within their means.
Brian Kaboyo kandi uri meya habwo rembo rwa Hoima City nashobora kugira ngo na mnonga nabafayo okubyara emiti y'ekijungu kandi na mnongejo yakubasa kurugamwe mibazi embaho hamwe n'ebijuma.
We are looking at medicinal, we are looking at fruit trees, and we are also looking at these other which they get for where they harvest wood in future. So we are not having a specific species, but we are planting all types according to what people want.
Bamwe ombebembezi b'orurembo orwa Hoima City abo munyamakuru witu yabasa kugambaho nabo basime hureji ya Green Hoima.
Climate change affecting abantu abaina obulema. This time this project tukulola the visually impaired persons bonka kionka the whole family of PWDs. Obokula omusana gwakamu n'aba albinos omusana gubatalibaniza. Obokula abantu abali visually impaired nitutukera mu n'abakazi mu cyumba enkuti tunaho okuziha. Singo tungira ubugasi abantu abatakukweza kutusakuchumbesa okusakusabira emigisa 10.
Okurjira kuchondoza okwakozerwa ba Global Forest Watch omwaka gw'2010 Uganda eyino bwinji bwitaka oburukwinga no bukikuruhika mukaga hamwe no bucweka 93 oburihemiti kandi obuno bwinga no bucweka 29 harigana obwitaka lya Uganda. Hoima etwire netunga umubaro gw'abantu barkweyongera bwashesha bwira kandi eji nemwe hanshonga eziretire bibiro mucangeki byagumana bicendera abo kugira ngo abantu nabagumana barondo buturo amakoraga gashakwa gada asaba ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.